Stop taking sleeping pills and use natural alternatives. It's time to take control of your sleep in a safer, healthier way. While sleeping pills might seem like a quick fix for a restless night, they often come with hidden dangers and long-term consequences. Imagine waking up refreshed, not weak, and knowing you've achieved quality rest without relying on a pill. The good news is, there are natural methods to improve your sleep that are just as effective, if not better, without the risks. Let's look at why sleeping pills may not be your best option and explore some natural remedies that can transform your nights and days. Some natural alternatives to help you sleep better. Thankfully, nature offers plenty of remedies to improve your sleep without harmful side effects. Here are some of the best. 1. Chamomile tea. This soothing herbal tea has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain brain receptors, encouraging a sense of calm and drowsiness. 2. Magnesium-Rich Foods. Magnesium is a powerful mineral that plays a key role in relaxation. Foods like almonds, spinach, and bananas can help calm your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. 3. Aromatherapy with lavender. Lavender is known for its calming properties. Diffusing lavender essential oil in your bedroom or using a lavender pillow spray can create a tranquil environment that makes it easier to drift off. 4. Practice sleep routine. Good sleep starts with good habits. Create a calming bedtime routine that signals to your body it's time to unwind. Avoid screens an hour before bed, keep your room cool and dark, and go to bed at the same time every night. These small changes can make a big difference. 5. Exercise regularly. Physical activity during the day can improve sleep quality at night. Even a 30-minute walk can help regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep. 6. Mindfulness and meditation. Stress and anxiety are major culprits behind sleepless nights. Practicing mindfulness or meditation before bed can help quiet your mind and relax your body, setting the stage for better sleep. Apps like Calm or Headspace offer guided sessions specifically designed for sleep. The problem with sleeping pills are often marketed as a miracle cure for insomnia or restless nights. However, the reality is far more complex. Many of these medications are only meant for short-term use, yet people often become dependent on them, unable to sleep without their nightly dose. This dependence can lead to a range of side effects, including daytime drowsiness, memory issues, and a weakened ability to concentrate. Over time, your body can build a tolerance, meaning you'll need higher doses to achieve the same effect, which increases the risks. Additionally, sleeping pills don't address the root cause of your sleep problems. They may knock you out, but they don't guarantee deep, restorative sleep. Instead, you might wake up feeling weak or even more tired than before. Worse, long-term use has been linked to serious health concerns, including cognitive decline and even dependency disorders. If you're relying on sleeping pills, it's worth asking yourself, is it solving the problem or just masking it? The truth is, there are safer, natural ways to help your body wind down and achieve better sleep. Breaking free from sleeping pills might feel daunting, but it's a step toward a healthier, more balanced life. By addressing the root causes of your sleep struggles and incorporating natural alternatives, you can improve your sleep quality without the risks of dependency or side effects. Start small, maybe a cup of chamomile tea tonight or a relaxing bedtime routine, and build from there. You deserve restful nights and energized mornings, and nature has everything you need to make it happen. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos.